legal vocabulary and its practice to argue in English, High Court and Supreme Court. Namaskar. Today our speaker is Jayprakash Somani, advocate from Supreme Court of India NIP. He published more than 50 books on Supreme Court case law. So, I'm presenting you Jayprakash Somani.
Legal vocabulary and its practice pattern to argue in High Court and in our Supreme Court. So, how you can increase your legal vocabulary? This is not one-time process. This is a continuous process. You should use adequate legal English while you are arguing in High Court and Supreme Court. No need to use very hi-fi English, but adequate legal English is need of the hour of today. So friend, for example, instead of saying I want to put one important point before Lordship, so you can say I want to put one significant point before Lordship. So significant is more clear than important. Important is only important, but significant is important as well as it is a very relevant also. So the stress should be a different there. Let me reveal the evidences before Lordship. So let me tell the facts of that case. Instead of that, you can say, let me manifest the fact of this case. Manifest means to reveal, to open. So manifest is something more meaning also there in a particular, while we are using in spiritual language that have a separate different meaning, but when we are using that word manifestation in legal English, the meaning is different. So in our course, we have created one course of legal English, legal vocabulary. It's a practice pattern to argue in High Court and Supreme Court. In that course, what you can learn. If you know all these, it will create a miracle. This course is useful for me also, because even though I am practicing lawyer in Supreme Court of India, but basically I am Marathi medium student from Maharashtra. 10th standard, till 10th standard, I was taken my education in village. In colleges, we shifted to Taluka place, then law, then MBA in Chennai, then practice in High Court, lower trial court, then High Court, then now Supreme Court at International Arbitration Tribunal. The journey is going on. So process of learning is going on. So don't compare your English to anybody's English. Just try to improve your English day by day. So in that particular course, you will find more than 9 to 10 videos. What this course contains, so 1000 legal verbs with its 3 forms. Main form, past tense and past participle is very important things. I argue, we argue, you argue, he argue, she argue, it argue, they argue. Simple. Then continuous, then past, then perfect continuous. So 4 tenses are in one tense, subtenses. So if you count 3 main tenses, present, past and future with its 4 subtenses, so total 12 tenses. Yes, I will give you the practice pattern of 12 tenses. When you are master in tense now, then your English will be on improving stage. But practice should be there. If you practice which I am giving you in instructions of that particular videos, so your English may be better than me also and better than anybody also. because I don't have time so much to do this practice because of my hectic schedule of the Supreme Court. But when you have time to do this practice, you can give better result in improving your English. So 1000 verbs which we are using in legal English, I will give you that with its 3 forms, then 12 tenses with its running practice, with proper instruction of practice, one PDF book on legal vocabulary and its practice matter with Latin terms. Latin terms are very attractive in arguments, very attractive in drafting also. It is not needed. It is not the condition of the drafting. It is not the condition of argument to use Latin term. But when you are using Latin term while you are arguing, so your acumen of English is good. This is the philosophy of legal English. So use Latin terms. You can use Sanskrit words also while you are arguing English, because that will create a different impact. In Agni Purana, there is so many topics of property laws. And if you go through the property laws in Agni Purana, that time you will find the good Sanskrit quotations also which you can use in property law cases while arguing. So friends, PDF, I will give you one PDF book of English vocabulary, maybe 100 pages, 150 pages, and its practice pattern with Latin. Then second book also I will give you near about 250 pages of English vocabulary, its practice patterns in Latin. All this is included in this course. Then some videos of current Chief Justice of India, Dr. Dhananjay Chandrachud, which I will give you, that some videos for the practice of good legal English, excellent legal English, and their flow of speaking, continuity in speaking, proper stress on proper words should be there. Then I will give you some videos on audio lectures of my legend guru, Nani Palkiwala, for simple English but perfect legal English. And what was the flow of Nani Palkiwala when he was stand before the audience in Madras, in Kolkata. After budget, his lecture was conducted in big stadiums. Stadium was full and all lectures are English. I will give some lectures just for improving our legal vocabulary. Then some videos of renowned senior advocates of Mumbai. Renowned senior advocates of Mumbai, I will give some videos for good legal vocabulary and for good flow of arguments. Then friends, I will give some videos of senior advocates of my courts, my colleagues, my friends, who are much better than me in English also. Because English is improving language. So one cannot claim I am a perfect in English, I am a perfect in Marathi, I am perfect in Hindi. No. Your language skill is always on improving stage. Practice, if we are doing regularly in front of the mirror with styling, read regularly one judgment loudly, then see the miracle how your legal English is growing. And when you are arguing in High Court, Supreme Court, on that day, from the first minute, don't speak any other language with your staff, with your family members. Speak in English only. Then you can fluently argue before courts. when it is needed, when you have taken your earlier education in vernacular language, that means our mother tongue, and then you have catch up with English. In that particular situation, you need this. But when you are English medium student, convent student, you need the confidence. Overconfidence is also bad. Low confidence is bad. You should be a moderate. No low, more confidence. No high confidence, no low confidence. Should be your voice and everything should be convince you. It should be a convince you. If it is convince you matter, you will not hurt the ego of the judges, and you will convince judges in favor of your client. Definitely. So some lectures of senior lawyers of my Apex Court, I will give you that lectures also. Link of that lectures, everything. I will explain you in which lecture what is and how you practice it. Then some important legal doctrines. Legal doctrines are there. Doctrine of basic structure. Such type of doctrines, so many legal doctrines, and it's a father case law. From which case law it took birth? That doctrines took birth. So I will explain you that case laws also related to only that doctrine. Because our main motto is to improving legal English. So that package is. And near about 9 to 10 videos, PDF books, study material, video links of legal stalwarts, legal numeraries, and mock test also. When you completed mock test, then you will get certificate also if you require. So this is the course. For understanding this course more detail, to see this course, to subscribe this course, just download my app. Jayprakash Somani Supreme Court is the name of my app. You can direct type Jayprakash Somani Supreme Court on Play Store. You can download app, or in description link is given, and you can see my so many other courses also. So many free videos are also there. So many few. You can subscribe my channel in YouTube with bell icon like that. So you will continuously comes to know new videos. But course is a well designed course. And very reasonable and low price. In very little price, you will get the knowledge and access. Some courses have access 1 year, some courses have access 2 years. You have the access of that course. You can watch it again and again and again. So friends, improve your legal English. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.